Welcome to UGC NET and GATE Computer Science students. In today's topic, I will be discussing computer network and data communication for the UGC NET, and so it is part 2. Previously, I discussed some problems, so you can watch that. Okay, so now I listed what are the types of problem they may ask. Okay, so in UGC NET, then I'll be going directly. A slotted Aloga network transmit 200 bits frames using shared channel with 200 kilobits per second bandwidth. Find the throughput of system if system all station put together produce 250 frame per second. Okay, so actually we have Aloga concept in multiple access in data link layer. So where we have two type of Aloga, slotted Aloga and pure Aloga. Pure Aloga achieve the 18.4 percentage efficiency, whereas this slotted Aloga achieve pure Aloga doubles. Okay, so here 18.4 plus 18.4 30 almost 37 percentage efficiency it will achieve. Okay, so for that they say that the frame transmission time is what actually they are sending 200 kilobits per second. So and then number of frames it will transmit over shared channel is 200 bits frames. Okay, so that the transmission time is nothing but for the data transmitted, okay, so its speed bandwidth. Okay, so now 1 millisecond, so which is nothing but so here we have formula for finding the efficiency. For that s equal to g into e power minus g. So now here it is nothing but 0.195. okay, so then this means that throughput is what actually it produces 250 frames per second. So actually throughput is nothing but its efficiency with its frames. So we are getting 49 frame only for so we want actually it is capable to send 250 frames, but it only sending 49 frame. Okay, so that is the throughput of the system. Then next one is the data decimal notation of following IP version 4 address is in binary they represented. So we know very simple formula here, right? Okay, because actually if you are having 8 bits, okay, so this is a position of 1 2 4 8 16 64 128 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128. okay, so now 128 place having 1, so that I want to add 128, and one position having 1, so 128 plus 1 129 dot. Okay, and this will be what? Okay, so now 1 plus 2 3 and no 4 and 1 8 there, 8 plus 3 11. okay, then this will be again what is that, same thing. Okay, so same thing, it must be again 11. okay, so next one is 128 plus 64 plus 32. Otherwise if you are having 8 ones, so which is nothing but 255. okay, so where what is left here is 1 2 4 8 16 is missing. So now 255 minus 16, it will be 239. okay, so answer is 120 9.11.11.239. okay, this will be right answer. Okay, now next one is the decrypt message decrypt the message WTAAD using Caesar cyber with the key. Okay, so now what is the concept behind this Caesar cyber is, if you want to encrypt the message, we need to take actual letter and convert into corresponding position value. So totally we have 26 letters, and we want to assign A with 0 up to Z equal to 25, like that we can assign. Okay, so now what happen is in order to convert plain text into cybertext, we want to do encryption process. In order to get back decrypt message, you want to use cybertext and you want to subtract key, then you will be getting decrypted message, which is plain text at receiver end. So very simple. Cybertext equal to plain text plus key equal to encryption at the sender side, and plain text equal to cybertext minus key equal to which is nothing but decryption process. Okay, they are asking decryption. So now first you want to assign a position value for each and every given message. Okay, so now we are assigning. So if you are assigning A as 1, then Z will be 26. If you are assigning A as 0, Z will be 25. Okay, so they will take as it is. Then you want to subtract 23 minus key equal to 15. So 8th position having H as the letter. So decrypted message for first letter is H. Okay, like that 20 because your T is 20 minus 15, so which will be 5. So the 5 corresponding letter is what? A. If you are assigning A as 1, then E will be 5. Okay, so now like that we are having again A is 1 minus 15 minus 14. So now what you want to do here is, in order to get positive value, totally how many letter is 26, you want to add 26 with this minus value, so you will be getting answer 12. So that is corresponding decrypted message L. Okay, so like that A again L. So now for D you will be getting 11. Okay, minus 11. So you will be adding 26 with this, then so that you will be getting 15. So which is nothing but O. Okay, so now your decrypted message is yellow. Okay, so next one is encrypt the message hello my dears using transpositional cyber. For that what is the key they provided? Okay, actually we have ordinary method, row transmission and column transmission. Here they are having some other approach. Plain text we are representing. What is the meaning is, if you are having plain text with the 2413 format, which means we want to rearrange the actual plain text with this format. Okay, which means your cybertext is nothing but your actual data second position is first letter, like that your actual plain text fourth letter will be, we want to equate as or assign as second letter. So like that I want to take. So now what is the process here is, I will explain you. So actually we have 4 keys. Key length is 4. So now we want to separate actual your plain text message into 4 letter each row. Okay, so now first what you want to do here is, they say that okay, so actually here plain text key represented cybertext corresponding things there. Okay, so now I, after representing like that for this HELL, so this is your plain text. Now in order to get cybertext, you want to keep your second letter as first letter. So which mean what? E is your second letter, I am keeping as first letter. Okay, then for example let me know here E is second letter, I am keeping as first letter. So then your second letter is nothing but fourth letter. So now fourth letter is L. This will be act as the second letter here. Okay, so now L. Okay, so like that. Okay, so your third letter is nothing but plain text first letter. Okay, so plain text first letter is H. Okay, so now I'm taking this one, and then your fourth letter of cybertext is nothing but third letter of your plain text. Okay, so now third letter for your plain text is nothing but L, so I'm keeping here as fourth letter. Okay, so now this is your first four part, and rest of the things you want to compute. For that it's very easy. Okay, so if you are having this E as first letter, option 2 3 4 you will be getting. So now again option 2 having here I mean totally 5 letter, so it will be omitted. Other again we are comparing ELHL again there. Okay, so now what is the answer? So once we are deciding with your second part, you will be getting. Okay, so now OMYD there. For that this first letter must be what? Second letter, so M. Okay, so M is coming there, so here D is there. Okay, so now this will be answer, so option is 3. Okay, so without solving all we can get the answer. And next one is let C be a binary linear code with a minimum distance of 2t plus 1, then it can be corrected up to dash number of bits of error. Okay, actually in data transmission we have error correction and deduction. Okay, so here if you are having the binary code with minimum distance 2t plus 1, so then by default it is actually proof from theorem, so it will correct up to t error. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, so then their IP address dash is used to host when they are being booted. Okay, usually some special IP address we reserve for some special purpose, and so to boot the device, so for that we are using all 0. Okay, which means 0.0.0.0. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, so next one is suppose we want to download text document at rate of 100 pages per second. So be clear, so here we can able to download 100 pages per second. Then you need to know what is the page size and by means of bits or anything. Okay, assume that a page consists of average of 24 lines, so which means each page is 24. How many line is nothing but 24 into 100, 2400 lines with 80 character in each line. Okay, so then actual data by means of character, how many number of characters is nothing but 100 into 24 into 80. Okay, and we know very clearly then what is the bit rate they are asking, which means you want to multiply all, and for that what is missing here is what is the size of each character. Okay, so each character size is were usually we occupying one byte for one character, right? So it is 8. Okay, so now by default we want to multiply, so 100 into 24 into 80 into 8, so which is nothing but 1536000. so we can make it as megabits. So we want to place dot after 6 letters from here, because 10 power 6 is nothing but megabits, so 1.536 megabits per second. So that was answer. Okay, if a file consists of actually 5000 character take 40 seconds to send, then data rate. Okay, so in 40 seconds they are saying that it's sending this one. Okay, down per second how many characters sent after converting into bits, that is your answer. Okay, so now if you we want to divide this 5000 divided by 40, which is getting the what is the number of characters sending for 1 second. Okay, so now otherwise in order to get directly bits, then you want to multiply this 50,000 character into one character required to represent by 8 bits. So we are multiplying by 8 divided by 40, you'll be getting 10,000 bits per second. So which is nothing but what, we want to make it as kilobits, so divided by 1000, so it is 10 kilobits per second. Okay, so we are getting answer. The address of class B host is to be split into subnet with 6-bit subnet number. What is the maximum number of subnet and maximum number of host in each subnet? So related to this subnet masking, subnet division, I have represented some videos in my channel. You kindly watch through that. And they saying that is class B, okay, which means default subnet mask is 255.225.0.0. so we reserving 16 bits for network identity and 16 for host identity. From the 16 bits of host identity, we want to split again into 6 bits for subnet ID and 10 bits for host ID. So which means 6 is nothing but 2 power 6, which is nothing but what, 64 number of subnet we can break. And then so single network of class B is divided into 64 subnet, and usually 2 subnet used for some special purpose, so we want to subtract 2 from 64, which is nothing but 62 number of subnet. And 10 bits we reserve for, from 16 minus 6 is what, 10, so 2 power 10 is nothing but 1024. Again 2 revise we specially used for some purpose, so 2 power 10 minus 2, which means 1024 minus 2 is nothing but 1022 host. Okay, so that way you want to know. This will be default formula also. Okay, and so next question is very common thing. So minimum spectrum allocation required for WCDMA, so which is 5 mega. Usually any concept of wireless, either 2 megahertz or 5 megahertz. Okay, so this WCDMA following 5 megahertz. In a packet switching network, if the message size is 48 bytes and each packet contains a header of 3 bytes, if 24 packets are required in transmit the message, what is the packet size? Okay, so actually if you are dividing 48 bytes by 24, actually message is 48 bytes, but packet size is 24 packets, and each packet, how many we want to accommodate 48 bytes into 24 packets, so which means each packet having 2 bytes of message. So in addition to that, we will be having adapting some header along with this packet, that is default 3 bytes. So what is the packet size is what, 2 bytes of data plus 3 bytes of header. Okay, so totally 5 bytes. Okay, and next one is a question related to RSA algorithm. So where n is product of 2 prime number, and e comma n is public key pair, d comma n is private key pair. So let m be a integer, okay, which mean message which is between this one, and then pi of n they given Euler-Torsson function p minus 1 into q minus 1, which are following each other of the RSA public key encryption system. So here we can have cybertext congruent to plain text power e mod n. This is correct, and like that plain text equal to cybertext power decryption key mod n. This is also correct. And then ed product of private key public key congruent to 1 mod actually this pi of n. Okay, so now this was wrong. Okay, so if you are having pi of n here, then it will be correct. This will be wrong. Then e into d congruent mod pi, so this will be correct again. And cybertext equal to plain text power e, so which mean in order to get cybertext back, so you want to cybertext equal to e power so this is correct, but here you should get n. Okay, so pi of n there, so it totally wrong. Okay, So which one is correct is nothing but only 1 and 2. Okay, so 1 and 2 is option B. Option B is correct. Okay, and then next question is a node X on a 10 megabits per second network is regulated by token bucket. The token bucket is filled at rate of 2 megabits per second. Token bucket is initially filled with 16 megabits. Okay, the maximum duration taken by X to transmit the bit rate of O. Okay, so usually they are provided the capacity of actual channel or medium or wire, that was what it able to transmit 10 megabits per second, but it has to send as the packet over such a network. This may be token ring kind of network. So the capacity of packet is 2 megabits per second. Okay, so actually token bucket initially filled with 16 megabits. Okay, so which mean how many how many packet it can be transmit. Okay, it's actually very common question. Okay, so now 16 megabits it has to be transmitted. Okay, so now how many it will take is nothing but maximum burst time you want to calculate, because transmission rate given, so 16 divided by actual the network capacity is 10 megabits per second, all are in megabits per second, so we can keep omit unit. 16 divided by 10 minus 2. Why this minus 2 is nothing but this packet data transmission rate. Okay, so it is what 16 by 8 is nothing but 2 seconds between. Okay, which mean within 2 second duration at 16 bits able to send. Okay, and then okay, we will be discussing rest of the question in next part. Thank you for watching.